Good day, guys. Hope we are fine. We are fine today. So this is what I brought for you, my fans. So let me just appreciate you once more. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. So this is how you cross it. Yeah. Hope you see the way I cross the. That's how you cross it. You see the front. I first arrange some step. Yeah. I first arrange some step. Then the other hand I'm trying to arrange step also, because we are going to do steps that place too. So I'm trying to lay it. So that's how you do it. Then I'm trying to arrange some step. Okay, let me just leave it, guys. Just be watching it. So I pin that place. Yeah, I pin it down. So you draw that place with the back little. So guys, so I'm supposed to tie that place at once, but I prefer holding it. So when I'm done, I will tie it. So we have to arrange step to that front. Make our step. You see now. So I'm just trying to arrange this very well. Make it neat. Make it so now I want to tie it. So I'm trying to dress the back. Yeah. I'm trying to dress the back. Okay, guys, we are done. So we prefer to leave that place up little. I did been the headwrap is little hard, so I will have raised that place more than that. You guys see it now. See the front and the back. So beautiful it is. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.